Hello, today we have a 2010 Land Rover. It's in with suspension issues. The suspension warning light is on and the car came in completely on the ground, like it was lowered, and it couldn't even absorb just a little tiny bump to get in the driveway. I saw that person's head bobbing around like that. We actually installed this air spring not too long ago, and to save the customer some money, we put this spring in it. It chafed on itself and rubbed itself a hole right through. This is only about 5 or 6 months old, so we're gonna warranty it. But we are going to put in some factory springs. So those we're gonna go return back to our vendor. Here is the Range Rover factory spring. It's just not pulled out of its mechanism. So it's the same spring, just as long. But this is what holds the car up and down. So the air goes right into here. And then it just uses pneumatic pressure to push the car up and down. So this is how the car raises and lowers and does all that cool fun stuff. These are the air springs out of a 2010 Land Rover Range Rover HSE. Thanks for watching.